Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the channel. I've here the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. I bought it for about $199 on Amazon. So this one comes with 128 GB RAM. Also you get a 64 GB variant which you can grab for about $155 to $160 right now. So you have three different color variants in this: silver, navy and graphite. Obviously what you see here is the navy. As you open the box, the first thing that you notice is the tab itself. It comes wrapped with protective fabric paper. Let's keep this aside and see what else we have got. So underneath you also get some barcode stickers, and when you open this you get a USB-C to USB-C charging cable. And inside you also get a quick start guide paperwork. And that's not all, you also have a pin for removing the SIM and memory card tray. So that's all you get inside the box. With that said, it's time to get back to our star of the show. This is a 9 Plus tab. It has got 11-inch screen. There's also a A9 version of the same, which comes with 8.7-inch screen. Both A9 and A9 Plus come with 128 and 64 GB RAM variants, and also cellular and non-cellular versions. Out of the box it just looks like the iPad Air to me, with similar sized bezels, but unlike the iPad, this tab has got the camera on the side. So the iPad has it on the top when you use it vertically. On the front you have got a 5 megapixel camera. On the back you have an 8 megapixel camera baked in. It comes with two-tone matte finish at the back, and there's no flash. On the right side you have got the power button, and down here you have the volume rockers. And when you come further down you have a mic here, and on the other side you have this poker pin and these two holes for the keyboard. And right here you have the SIM card and memory card tray. You can use this pin to remove it. As I mentioned earlier, this is not a cellular version, so here you can insert only a micro SD memory card. You can expand the storage up to 1 TB here. Down here you have got the USB-C charging port, and right next to it you have another mic, and here you have two speakers on either side. And on the other side at the top you have two additional speakers. That is 4 in total. You have quad speaker setup in this device. And right here you have a 3.5mm jack for headphones or earphones. For this price point, I am really impressed by dual microphone setup and quad speaker setup and availability of 3.5mm jack. Now it's time to switch it on and see how it performs. For this video I have just skipped the initial setup process. If you are interested to watch it, you can click the link above, or you can find the link in the description. Overall, the build quality is really good. It comes with a Snapdragon 695 5G chip inside, which is a solid mid-range chipset, offering good performance, efficient power usage, decent gaming capabilities and 5G connectivity. Out of the box you get Android 13 preloaded. You can also upgrade it to the current version, which is Android 15. This device is ideal for day-to-day usage, for things like browsing internet, streaming videos and for using social media apps. Its performance is sufficient to handle multitasking with multiple apps open in the background without noticeable lag. While it's good for moderate apps, it's not really designed for high performance gaming or resource heavy tasks like video editing or running intensive apps. For the screen you have got TFT LCD display. Of course, for this price point you cannot expect Super AMOLED display to be included here. And overall Samsung has done a pretty decent job in building this device. You get quad speaker setup, dual mic setup and USB-C charging port, 11-inch screen, 128 GB RAM and latest operating system support. So that's all for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please drop a comment below, and please subscribe to my channel. I will catch you in the next video.